Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable 2FA on Bitget. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Bitget app. Once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the profile icon. Once done, just go ahead and go to your username and tap on the right arrow key. Tap on it. Once done, you can go ahead over to these tabs and tap on security. Now, as you can see here, we have these two-factor authenticators, okay? You have the passkey, which you can go ahead and set up. I'm going to show you how to add it later. So email right here, mobile number, and biometric authentication. Login and password as well. You can go ahead and add it as your two-factor authenticator. So it's best that you add everything right here. Passkey, Google Authenticator, email, mobile number, biometric, login, password. Okay, so it's more secure. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in a password, just like so. Then I'm going to hit on submit. Wait for it to load. And then it needs, okay, as you can see here, we have verifications. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go through my email and then enter the code that was given. Okay, I just received the code. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to go back. It says here, there will be a text to my mobile number, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead over to my Google Authenticator. As you can see here, it's pretty secure. So I'm going to open up Google Authenticator. You might not be able to see it, okay, because I'm just screen mirroring. I'm just going to copy the ones from Bitget. And then I'm going to go back to Bitget right here, hit on paste, and then hit on confirm. As you can see, it's done. Now, instead of set right here, it now says new password. So I'm good to go. So when you go ahead and scroll down, you have fund code, PIN code, anti-phishing code. You can go ahead and set this up. Okay. You have app lock as well. So passkey, I'm going to tap on passkey, add a passkey. You can go ahead and select cross-device passkey, local passkey, or USB passkey. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and choose it requires your device to access Google services. Cross passkey right here. Now, again, another verification. I'm going to paste that in here. And a Google Authenticator once more. I'm going to go ahead and copy Bitget, like so. I'm going to go back and paste that in here. Okay, hit on confirm. Now I'm going to go ahead and scan my thumb or fingerprint. There you go. Here I now have a passkey. Okay. So whenever I want to log in, I can go ahead and choose passkey, so it will log in automatically. I'm just going to scan my fingerprint. Okay. So for Google Authenticator right here, I'll be talking about this in the next video. You can go ahead and check it out on the channel. But that's it for now. That is how you set up or enable 2FA on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.